Lola's hunting them up.
Hunt 'em up.
Send her back.
Oh, back.
She going to the bathroom? Yeah. Lola's going to the bathroom. It's a pheasant wing she's looking for. She's never been here. She's never been here. I think she's got it. Yeah, she's running. Yeah, that means she's got it. Give her big praise when she gets here. Look at her. Look at how proud she is. Look at the little freak. Look at that little dog.
Stop. Good girl.
That's an awesome little fucker.
Sit. No, sit.
That was awesome. For the second one.
Lola, hunt 'em up.
Lola found one. Look at her coming back all proud.
Stop. Good girl. Atta girl. Lola, sit. Hunt 'em up.
See how she takes off like that?
The next one's to the left of it.